Cpagrip content locking for beginners. Okay guys, I got a question from many of you asking me, can you please show us how to make money with CPA marketing and ChatGPT? So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly that. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to go on a website called Answer the Public. And then here in search bar, you need to enter your topic or your main keyword. Let's just say for this example, it is weight loss. And then here you need to choose a country and here you need to choose a language. So I will stick with United States and English. And then click here on search. And you will get questions that people most often search on Google. And here you can see how those questions look. Here you can see 146 questions. There is questions, there is propositions, comparisons, and many other stuff. So you need to find one that you think is the best. So for example, let me just go through these questions just to see, okay, look at this. Weight loss without exercise. Now everybody wishes to lose weight without exercise because, well, people are lazy. So I need to choose this one here. Here you can see weight loss without exercise. I will actually copy this keyword. Here you can see there is lots and lots of articles about that, which means people actually look for that. People need this. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to go on ChatGPT and then here I need to search for ebook, okay? Ebook, and then I need to scroll here and here I can use, for example, this one here. Generate 100% unique ebook, 8 chapters. I need to click here. Here I need to choose a language. I will stick with the English language because I already chose United States and English. And here I need to say something like this, right? Me an ebook about, and then I will simply paste my keyword. And then all I have to do is just press enter, and now ChatGPT will write this ebook for me. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to publish this ebook. So I will simply copy this title here, Control C, and I will actually publish this article on Google Documents. Just click here on blank because I wish to create a blank ebook. Title the document, so I will add this title and here I will add my title again, okay? And I will make this to be bold, and also I will make it to be larger. So let's just say, for example, 30 actually. So next thing I need to do, I need to go back here on ChatGPT and here I can simply copy all of this, okay? Just copy all of this, Control C, and here you can see, because I use free version of ChatGPT, what happens, ChatGPT usually writes just 2,000 words. Now to fix that, all you have to do is just say here continue. And then press enter and now ChatGPT will continue writing this ebook. So again, I need to go back here and I will paste that here. And this is my ebook, as you can see here. Now, for this purpose, search volume and competition is not that important. And also, we don't need to add our call to action here because we will actually use this ebook to create a content locker. So what I need to do, I need to click here on file and then I need to click here on share and then share with others, okay? Share with others. Choose here where it says general access, choose anyone with the link, okay? Give it a second, click here, copy link. I copied this link and I need to paste that link here in Notepad. So I will search for Notepad. Okay, and I will paste that here because I'm going to need a link to this ebook. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to go on Cpagrip in this case, and I need to create a content locker. Now I have to say you can apply this method on any other CPA affiliate network, but for the purpose of this video, I am going to use Cpagrip. And I need to create a content locker. Just click here on create a new URL locker. Agree to the terms of condition, click here on continue, give it a second, and here you need to create your content locker. Now you can leave all of these things if you want, you can change them also if you want, you can also use templates. I usually like using templates and I usually like this one here. Here you can see human verification because people are used to human verification things. They often have to fulfill some surveys or some other stuff to confirm that they are real human beings. Okay, just choose this one here, then go back here on general and here where it says locked URL, I need to add a link to my ebook that I actually published on Google Documents. So next thing I need to do, I need to click here on show offers. And because I'm targeting United States, I will find here United States and I can choose these offers here. For example, these offers here, I will just choose a few offers and then I need to scroll back here, hide offers, and all I have to do now is just click here on save and that's it. I created my content locker, Cpagrip content locker. And this is my link. When I click here on generate get link, copy the link, paste that link here in Notepad. And now you need to start promoting your content locker wherever you can in order to start getting as much traffic as you can. Now to do that, you can simply go here on and find related Facebook groups. You can also share it on Twitter. You can share it on Pinterest. You can share it on Tumblr. You can also promote it on with propeller ads. You can share it on TikTok. You can share it on Instagram. You can share it on different kind of blogs. Wherever you can, share it, promote it to start getting as much traffic as you can, to start getting as many submissions and to start making as much money as you can with Cpagrip Content Locker and with CPA marketing in general, because like I said, you can apply this method successfully on any other CPA affiliate network. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.